starts, y'all. If you saw the last video, you know, we just did a show, which would have been yesterday, and starting off the second day of it. This is Hiti Mahana, 4 cities in 4 days. Yeah, so we had Melbourne yesterday, Fort Lauderdale today, Miami tomorrow, and then headed all the way back up to Patrick Space Force Base on Tuesday. So we are loaded up. Kids are doing what they do. We got a mini sweatshop going. Damn it, Dan in the back. I don't know if y'all can see back there. But yeah, we're gonna make this drive, head on south. Next stop, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, y'all. Let's go. And that's it. No? Okay, never mind. They don't want to say it. John said hi. Nia said hi.
Yeah, I said hi.
Babe, tell them how good the show is.
Amazing.
And this one. So we just finished the show and she wants a playground in the pool. Why? Oh, okay. So yes, ladies did amazing. The guys did amazing. Calais did amazing. She won't ever admit it. Fellas? Yes. The fellas rocked it? Little crocodile hunter. What we got? Check them out. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Oh, it's fast. And we can't forget Mother Goose over there taking a shit.
Okay, the guy.
Yes, no.
Just pretend like it's nice.
Show them what I did. Show them what you did. I don't know why she did that.
Okay, guys.
Hold on. Oh man, and that's the show, y'all. At least one of them. So here we are, closing up Fort Lauderdale. Back to the Air BnB.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's my jewelry? I can't find my jewelry.
Look.
My shoes.
Not only is it Miami traffic or Hollywood, Florida traffic, but we've had this crazy storm roll in on us. Yeah, it made things interesting. But check it out. Check the digs. Ping pong table. We got a pool. We got a hot tub. There's a park and a grill.
There's a trampoline.
We got a trampoline. We got Keone.
And a ping pong table.
And a ping pong table. Yo, it's going down tonight. Okay, what we got over there, bro? So this is how the girls learn, right? So the girls are learning. Well, the boss. Look at the boss.
Girls, don't turn all the way around.
Yeah.
Your front, back, right hand up. Wow. Try this again.
How do y'all feel about being bossed from a hot tub?
What do y'all feel about it?
I'll tell you when.
Okay, so the eggs. Uncle Dan. Uncle Dan. Uncle Dan.
Yes. Do we look alike?
Yes.
Why y'all look alike?
Racist.
Over here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Ah. Say hi, Uncle.
Hi.
All the guys in the kitchen cooking dinner, breakfast, and making coffee for us. Oh, and Keone. There's Mike.
Yeah.
Mike's making stuff too. There he is.
Very good, boy. Very good. Very good.
Like it?
Fancy. Fancy pants. Oh, yeah. Taking you on a walk through our nature trail in our backyard, you guys.
Last time my foot.
Okay, okay, okay. Some of these are dead. It's okay. And we have our keikis. Say hi to the world. Hello, world. Say grind and shine.
Rise and shine.
Not rise and shine, grind and shine, boy. Boy.
Me?
Y'all having fun?
Yeah.
Did y'all like it here?
Yeah.
I know. It's a nice house.
I'm here.
Yeah, and that wraps it up for the Fort Lauderdale segment of this little mini tour we got going on. So yeah, we had Melbourne, Florida, Fort Lauderdale yesterday through the busy night. Hope y'all enjoyed some of that music from hanging out at this Air BnB. And after breakfast, we loaded, pack it all in, and we head right down the road to Miami for show number 3. Now, if y'all are liking these videos, you know, drop a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to, if you're feeling so generous, and stay tuned for show number 3.